Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we are going to talk about knockoff controllers for the Nintendo Switch. I did a lot of reviews about each of these controllers, so I will drop some links in the description so you can check them out if you're interested. But in this video I'm going to focus a little bit more on the controls itself and what are the options we have. So we can divide the controllers in two separate categories. We have the knockoff controllers like this one that have no motion sensors or any way of amiibo function. So this is just a Bluetooth controller and it just works great with games. You don't need all of the extra functions like Street Fighter. So this is, to begin with, the PlayStation 4 version. I just call it this because it looks a little bit like the PlayStation controller. But this one got a very nice design. I really love this rubber compound. Nice D-pad, you can exchange it with a normal one. Nice click, nice buttons, I really love it. So this is just one of the many controllers that I did a review about it. Just want to do a little bit of a quick overview. So this is one maybe great option for you. The second one is the Xbox clone, Xbox One clone. So if you're a big Xbox fan and you just want to play some Switch games, maybe this is something you can enjoy. It's not like the official product from Microsoft, because you can maybe hear it on the camera. It's really clickish, but I can tell you already it plays very nice. I did a full review about it. Check it if you like. And right, let's go to the next controller. Right, the next controller is the Ouya controller, or the ripple from the Ouya. I really love what they did with the design, like the Nintendo Switch with the two colors. I must say I really love the comfort of the controller. Like the Xbox, this one also got its really cheap as clickish buttons, but these are very nice. The D-pad was a little bit, I want to say horrible or bad, but it's something you really need to get used to. Very clickish. So I did a review about it, check it out if you want, and let's go to the last one. And for the fourth and the last controller, we're having here the one-on-one knockoff controller from the original Pro. So I did a review about it, check it out if you want. I did also a little comparison with the original one. There are some differences with this controller. It does have this motion sensor, so you use it for Mario, so that is very important. So if you're searching for a second controller that has more function than all the basic ones, maybe this is something for you. So check out the review and let's go to the final conclusion. So for the final conclusion, people, if you're searching for a knockoff controller, there are a lot of options out there. These are just 4 controllers of a lot of stuff going on. I really love all of them. They have the pros and the cons. Check out the full reviews if you want. So you know what maybe controller fits your need. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the little bell because you get notified for upcoming videos. And see you next time. Bye bye.